Hello there, welcome to Nana's Classic Stitches channel. If you are new, welcome and thank you for clicking. I thank all my subscribers and returnees. Thank you so much. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this in the globe. Today we're going to start on our jacket. It's so simple, straightforward, and as I said, I'm going to be sewing style A with the binding, no, not binding, piping, with the piping. Okay, now I've cut all my fabric. This is my leftover from my dress. Okay, so I've cut it, iron my interfacing to the collar and the facing. So I'm gonna walk you through a bit and then I'm gonna go to the machine. Excuse me. This is so simple, straightforward, no zipper, no buttons, no buttonholes. And I don't think I've walked you guys through invisible zipper before. So one of these days we will do that. Okay, so as I said, the stand up collar, I put my facing into it already. I have pinned my panels, the front panels, the back of the main fabric. Okay, now today I'm going a little bit wild. This is my facing, my lining. Okay, this is my lining. So I've also cut that and I've pinned it, and I'm gonna sew that now. Now with the lining, the facing that you've ironed your interfacing goes with the lining. Okay, so that's what I have pinned, and I'm gonna use the same fabric for my piping, and that is also ready. So I'm going to go to the machine and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, thank you, bye bye. I'm gonna sew the lining first, so see you in a bit. Bye. Hello there, I'm back. With this pattern, I'm following the instruction exactly. Okay, so I'm not changing anything about this pattern. Now I did the lining first and put on the collar. And don't forget to press as you sew. Okay, so the lining part is done. And also with the wrong side facing you, at the center back panel, they suggest for you to leave 8 inches on stitch, so you can flip the jacket right side out after you stitch it. As I said, I'm following the instructions exactly, so I'm not changing anything. So this is done. This is my sleeve that I didn't show you earlier. Okay, so let's see what time. Okay, now I'm gonna sew the main fabric itself now. This is the back portion and the panels, and this is the front. Okay, so I'll be right back again. Okay, oh, this, see, I had 2 colors, both printed, so I use cream thread for all the lining. And now I'm going to switch this to the right thread and use that thread for this fabric. So I'll be right back. See you in a bit. Hello there, I'm back. Okay, this is the main fabric. It's also done up to the level of the lining. Okay, so next week the piping will go on the main fabric, and then the lining and the sleeve will continue from there. Maybe we might finish it next week. I'm not sure, 100% sure yet, but this is how far I'm gonna take you guys. It is all done. Oh, let me show you on the let it focus. Come on, camera. Okay, there. So this is how far we've done. Okay, both the lining and the main fabric. This is how far. Okay, thank you. Happy sewing, and I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See ya.